Welcome back, everyone, to the final stages of this Sansui. I was a little bit disappointed that the donor unit showed up yesterday just after I posted the second video, because if I knew it was arriving yesterday, I could have held off that video and put it all into one and not had the need for the third video, this one. But be that as it may, an hour after I posted it, it arrived. It wasn't meant to arrive yesterday, it's early, which is shocking in itself. But that's the way things go. So I'm going to now sort out these speaker terminals. The one that showed up is as minging as it looks in the photos. It's covered in grime and everything, but the speaker terminals are in good condition. So I take them out, and now I'm going to put them into this one. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see now, I took the speaker terminals out of the donor yesterday, done it yesterday night, and on thinking about it, because I took it all apart, took the cover off, front cover off, sides off, back away from the, so it was a floppy mess essentially, but it was all disconnected. And thinking about it, I think that might have been a little bit of overkill. I'm thinking you can potentially do this without going that far. See, on the R-50, this equalizer board here isn't the shape. It actually starts about here and comes out like that. So you could remove that and take it out here. Take the speaker terminals out here. So I think I'm going to have to take this board off again. Take the voltage selector out. I should be able to squeeze them out there. I still don't think I have to take the whole thing apart. I'm just noticing now that I haven't put the screws on the back. Right, we'll worry about that in a minute. See, because look at the state on these. They're all cracked. They don't want to turn. Oh God! Yeah, they're just rough. They're all smashed up. This one's not even connected properly with it. So, what did I say? That the equalizer board needs to come out, didn't I? That should be flopping about the place now, which it is. That should be as well. Still going to be tight, but let's put that there now. Let's desolder the speaker terminals. Oh, I didn't undo them, did I? No. Oh, what an absolute moron. There they are. Here's the ones that are going to be going in. Much better condition. Nice, easy turning. Oh, everything. Let me get under here now. Right, so the spongy things in the way. I might be making life harder on myself by trying to do this in a shortcut way, but we'll see. I'm going to prop it up like that now. Bring you in. Flux it up, as I've been doing since 2024. As the intro says. Let's see if we can get these out now with minimal fuss. Actually, I'm going to 400. See if we can get that one bank out first. You know, I think they're all going to want to come as one. It's not going to work. My shortcut didn't work. The back's going to have to come off. There's not enough clearance. There wasn't much more work, to be honest with you. See that's broke the it's not broke there. Oof. Filler silicone or whatnot would have tried to fix these. They being whoever tried to fix them. Let's get this off now. Here we are. Oh, look at the mess on this one. looks all snapped and broke. No good. Right, just clean up these terminals now a bit more. Nice. Right, time for the replacements to go in now. Right, the pièce de résistance here is, if you have a look at this knob, a bit marked. Not too bad, but still got, I don't think you can see because of the light, see. But the knob that came off the other one, I put it in my special cleaning secret fluid overnight, and it's come out absolutely lovely. Look at that. Another mark on it. So that will be going on. Here we are. Put that back where it came from. The base now. We are getting it. We are getting it. So the moment of truth. It's plugged in. Oh, Spanky's working. Both sides. Oh, hey, hey. Right, remember I got no aerial in the back of this, so this is just going off.
Concerto. That's soloist Anthony Robson with the middle movement and the Collegium Musicum 90. Simon Standish conducting that one. Now, here's the thing. I will be here on Classic FM next weekend.
Good for him. I have to turn that off, otherwise it's going to get content matched. So there we are. I'm really chuffed with the way this turned out. It's had a bit of work done to it, hasn't it? Emitter resistors, fusible resistor, capacitors, filter caps, speaker terminals. It's had quite a bit. A new knob. But it's really firing on all 4 cylinders now, I think, and it's going to live for a lot longer. So this is what it's all about, really, isn't it? You know, is it the best receiver in the world? No. Is it the most desirable? No. Is it from the peak era? No, actually, it's just after the peak era when things are starting to wind down. The the things I don't like the fiberboard bottom, you know, things like that. But it's a great little receiver for someone, especially if someone who's just getting into it. So whoever gets it is getting something that's going to last quite a while, hopefully. But until the next one, I'll see you soon. Ta-ra now.